Welcome back from the various standard as we have discussed according to family of 9000, ISO 9000 and ISO 14000, right? Now various methods to improving our quality standards and management process or quality. There is one is the Six Sigma. Focus of Six Sigma is reducing the variability in the key where the various parameter or expectations from various parameters to be minimized towards the errors and maximize the life or quality of a product. This standard is used so product quality characteristics to be to the level at which failure or defects are extremely unlikely. For this kind of product we can use Six Sigma. This shows the graph of Six Sigma. There is various levels shown already. You can go into depth. Now Dmaic standards. Dmaic means each and every single digit defines something. D means define, M means measure, A means analyze, I means improve, and C means control. Throughout the various process in the closed loop you can improve the qualities and match the standards whatever required by the society and recommend processes to get some certification, right? Astm standard, ASTM, that is the quality control standard, provide the mathematical and statistical procedures instrumental in the evolution of experiments and test methods. These procedures encompass the information gathering stage of an experiment where a variation is present and includes the probability sampling process, the determination of the precision and bias of an experiment, and the measurement of the reliability and degree of the uncertainty of the test result and data. This is somewhat the STM standards required to follow your quality control job. Now Oeko Tex standards. The Oeko Tex standards is an independent test and certification system for the textile raw, intermediate and end products at all stages of processing, especially for textile. Example of article that can be certified, that is yarn, fabric, treated fabric, manufactured articles, one kind of clothing of all kind, domestic and household textile, bedding, towels, soft toys and many more. This is especially for textile processing, textile production. Now we are talking about the Indian standards that should be required to produce a product in India with some quality standard benchmark. The harmonious development of activity of a standardization, making and quality certification. Indian standard requires for this aim, providing the new trust to the standardization and quality control, evolving the national strategy for according recognition to standards and integrating them with the growth and development of industrial production and exports. This is some kind of industrial standard and that should be followed as per required by the Indian standard, that is called BIS, this one, right? Think about the standards check and procedure. Now this procedure, this is a one kind of circular, no end, right? No end. During the product or a manufacturing process in the industry, you have to follow all the steps continuously. There is no stop for the development and effectiveness of the quality. Plan, do, check, change. Plan, do, check, change, right? That is a effective practice for the maximization of the quality, product and time duration holding of the company and product, right? Now I am thanking you to all for listening me. Perform the exercise given by the institute. Thank you.